Namaste beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. This is Arnika Dongre and you're watching Arnika Vlog. आज की video will be on the story time again, and yes, the topic is your biggest returns comes from the believing in yourself. This is my own story. चलो so let me ask you something, okay? What if I told you that the biggest return in your life does not come from investment or people, but it comes from your own strengths? Today I am sharing my very personal story, how I start realizing that the more I trust myself, the more I grew. To be honest, okay? See, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि मैं जो भी बोलती हूँ ना आप लोगों को, it is all related to me and my stuffs. This is a kind of small documentation where I got some strengths, and this is my comfort zone where I speak to you all because I love to speak. तो चलिए हम लोग वापस इस टॉपिक पे आते हैं. आई नो बीच में मैं थोड़ी थोड़ी बातें कर लेती हूँ, बट येस, लेट्स स्टार्ट. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, देयर वाज अ टाइम वेयर आई डिड नॉट बिलीव I had anything special. सबके लाइफ में कैसा फेज आता है जब वो उन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि कभी ना कभी सबको ही लगता है कि वो लोग स्पेशल है ही नहीं. नो, आई वॉज जस्ट ग्रोइंग विद द फ्लो. एक ग्रोइंग बोलो, गोइंग बोलो, चली जा रही थी. लाइक सुबह उठो, वेकअप, कॉलेज अटेंड करो, फिर असाइनमेंट करो, होमवर्क करो. डीप इनसाइड मैं सोचती रहती कि आई हैड अ ड्रीम बट नो आइडिया हाउ शुड आई स्टार्ट इट. राइट, सबके पास ये आइडिया एक ना एक दिन तो सबको हिट करेगा कि यार अगर मेरे पास सपना है तो मैं करूँ तो करूँ कैसे. तो स्टार्ट भी, हाउ कैन आई स्टार्ट इट. आई थॉट मे बी आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर समथिंग बिग. अब ये मेरा थिंकिंग पहला पैटर्न था, बट समथिंग इनसाइड मी डिड नॉट सेट इट राइट. What was it? Like, अंदर की एक inner voice आती है, सबको ही आएगी कभी ना कभी. Will realize one day I sat with myself and asked the question to me कि what if I just try. The voice told me from my inside, like, see, everyone does meditation, physical exercise, meditation करता. तो पता है एक दिन, पता है ऐसे ही मन में क्वेश्चन, रैंडम टाइम पे क्वेश्चन आया कि व्हाट इफ आई जस्ट ट्राई. सिर्फ ट्राई करो ना, इवन अगर वो स्मॉल स्टेप्स भी रहे तो जस्ट ट्राई इट आउट. आई रिमेंबर क्रिएटिंग माई फर्स्ट कॉन्टेंट आइडिया. आई वॉज अनसर्टन अबाउट इट, अनश्योर अबाउट इट. आई वॉज नर्वस, शेकरी, लाइक ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझसे ये काम हो ही नहीं पाएगा. बट स्टिल देयर वाज something that hit me, and then I published my first video. That moment I feel that something shifts, not because of the result but because of believing in my own self for once. Now see, from that small step, attending college, participating in the events, creating more and more content, even talking about the topics like zombie firms, value chain, soft skills, and parenting yourself, short term, long term videos. So these are all on my channel. Each time I choose to act and inner strength, I feel more confidence even when I was scared. Right, सी, आई एम ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बींग. मुझे भी डर लगता है कभी कभी कि यार ये टॉपिक सही है, इससे सही है, सब कर लिया, बट विल आई बी एबल टू ट्रांसलेट इट फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ टू यूर साइड. तो सी, सबको डर लगे रहता है, मुझे भी रहता है, बट नाउ आई एम ओके, फाइन विद इट. देन व्हेन आई रियलाइज माई वॉइस, माई आइडिया, माई एनर्जी, दे आर माई रियल एसेट्स. जस्ट लाइक we all invest in goals or mutual fund, we need to invest in our own self too, through learning, growing, taking challenges. Because honestly I will say you, your high return would not come from someone else giving you bread, right? It will come from your own doubts, your own breaking, your own stuff. So how can we do it? So basically मैंने कैसे start किया था? I started with what I have to do, trusting my small steps. Did not wait for motivation, just randomly started with videoing, learning about my own actions. The more I believe in myself, the strength, the more I will see the result, and I would never imagine it. I'm not saying it is easy. I have faced doubts, stayed backs, even days where I was feeling like giving up. But each time I rise and said to myself, let me believe for one time, let me try. I own it to myself to try it once. If you feel even a little inspired after this, let that be your first step. See, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ ये मेरी स्टोरी है, आप सबकी स्टोरीज अलग अलग होगी. Every person, every entity has a different stories, have different experience, have different feelings, have different. There is lots of difference in life, but जब आप खुद के ऊपर बिलीव करना चालू करते हो, that time you realize कि what you want to do. So if this story connects to you, would you like to share and subscribe? Let's grow together, step by step, by investing in your own self. It is the most powerful thing we all own in ourselves. I believe that you all have some strengths. Let's start a chain of self-believing together from today onwards. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah, this is literally not a video for me. This is a document. I hope you enjoyed today's document topic. Self-strength के बारे में था. And I know this is something like everybody should know about it. ये एक ऐसा चीज़ होता है ना जो सबको पता होता है, but at the time of your setbacks या at the time of the difficult situations, जब आप उसको handle नहीं कर पाओगे ना, it will give you a strength कि यार कभी तो भी मैंने सोचा था, एक बार खुद के ऊपर believe करो, try करो, and then just go on. Life is a process, a beautiful journey where you will see ups and downs, where you will see happiness and sadness. Together तो नहीं होएगा, पर सबके life में you are all just a open book. Just keep on writing yourself, write your lessons on yourself. Be a particular character, what you want to be in your life. I would like to say this much only. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Namaste.